love for food with Radio 4. Brought to you by Danube in association with Le Méridien Dubai, Sanford and Swiss Arabia.
Hello and a very warm welcome to Love for Food. The show is brought to you by Le Méridien Dubai in association with 89.1 Radio 4 FM. I'm your host Sapna and I love food. कहा जाता है कि ब्रेकफास्ट पूरे दिन का सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट मील होता है और आज का एपिसोड इज अ थीम्ड एपिसोड. इट्स ऑल अबाउट ब्रेकफास्ट एंड फॉर दैट आई हैव शेफ इरफान फ्रॉम यलुम्बा. हाय शेफ, हाउ आर यू?
फाइन, थैंक यू.
गुड टू मीट यू. सो क्या आज हम बनाने वाले हैं?
No, actually today we are going to make the egg benedict.
Okay.
So first I have to toast bread.
Bread.
Yeah, this is not a normal bread.
Okay.
This is a brioche bread.
So easily it's available in the market?
It is available in the market.
Okay.
Brioche bread, loaf slice, or if you want, you can take double bread, slice of the bread.
Okay.
So it will be higher. You can make it thin. So up to you how you want.
Okay. But preferably thick bread.
Thick bread should be thick bread is better. Then we'll apply a little butter here.
You just have to touch
Yes,
it.
clarified
dash
butter a little
of
bit.
Butter.
Touch of butter. Then we'll use the bread here to toast.
All right. So you've already put butter.
Already butter is there a little
okay.
bit. Then before this butter you put, and you have to start this one.
We've
to
boiled
boil
little
the water with vinegar.
With
This is
vinegar.
poaching. Whatever you're going to poach,
Okay.
any boiled egg or fish, whatever. That's today we are going to
That's
make the.
required.
Yeah, we have to use the water,
With
like a 1 liter water. We'll put there around 25 ml of white vinegar.
Okay. So just we boil it.
We'll
At
boil
the
it.
same time we.
We just toast it for the toaster. This
Okay,
one.
okay.
If you have a salamander in the home, it's better to put in the toast in a salamander. But you can put in the oven also.
All right.
So you turn over this one, make it toasted.
Right.
I need 2 eggs.
2 eggs.
2 eggs I have
So
to
it's
boil.
it's a portion for how many people?
No, this is for the one person only.
It's for one person.
For the one person.
Okay. So I'm gonna have it.
Yes.
You're gonna see it. So yellow part has to be carefully taken out of the egg shell.
Then when you put in the water, it should be boiled. Till boil the water.
Right.
Then we'll put the eggs. Slowly we'll put this egg. Just slowly. The white, it will bind with the egg yellow.
Right.
If it is break, this is gone.
And so this looks like something like this.
Yes.
You can see it's binding.
This is binding with the egg white.
Okay. So we're
So
ready to
bread,
serve it.
bread is see this is now it's getting golden brown color, right?
Golden brown. And a bit crispy.
Crispy, yes.
Exactly.
So this is ready now.
So I
See,
think we're done with that.
it's done. This is in the plate now.
So now the whole thing is about serving it.
So this is salmon you have to put on top of this.
So egg yolk is
Egg
cooked.
yolk is cooked. It will come
Up.
up. Okay. So this
It
is
will
ready now.
start floating. So
Floating,
you
yes.
exactly know it's cooked.
Some people like the well done, the medium, the well this one. So you
So
can
you can
make,
do
yes,
that.
you can
If
do
want
also.
A well done egg inside.
Yes.
You can keep it
So
for
this is
a
like a
longer
medium,
time, right?
like this is medium.
It's half cooked.
Half cooked.
Yeah.
This is already done. So we have the hollandaise sauce here.
Okay. You have to tell us about hollandaise sauce.
Hollandaise sauce, yes.
It's a
This
mixture
hollandaise sauce, this is like only 2 egg yolk and clarified butter. So you just beat it with the egg yolk and clarified butter. It will come just like that.
of- Right. So you can make it at
Yes.
home.
You can make it
yourself.
at home.
Okay. Right.
So now you have to put the hollandaise sauce on top
Okay.
of the poached egg. Okay?
Right.
So you have to put like this. Then you have to garnish with the some frise and microgreens.
White, yellow, orange. and
Orange,
green.
yes, green, yes.
Looks good.
So the Benedict is ready now.
It's ready?
Yes.
Ready to eat?
Ready to eat.
Right.
You can put. So this is different. now.
Garnished
One,
it.
two.
Alrighty, so before I bounce onto it, let's take a quick recap and let's see how Egg Benedict is made.
Egg Benedict. Ingredients: brioche bread 1 piece, eggs 2, smoked salmon 2 slices, white vinegar 25 ml. For hollandaise sauce, clarified butter 80 ml, egg 1, salt to taste, white pepper powder to taste. Method: apply clarified butter to pan, toast brioche bread, boil 1 liter water and add 25 ml white vinegar in bowl for poached egg. Now crack 2 eggs and gently empty egg from eggshell into boiling water. Lay smoked salmon over bread followed by poached egg. Spoon hollandaise sauce over the eggs. Garnish with herbs.
Alright, Chef, it's time to slip into a very, very short break. But before we do that, let's tell our viewers that what's next.
Next step we are coming with the healthy starter for the white egg omelette.
White egg omelette.
Yes.
So
With
egg पे बड़ा जोर है, तो आप मत कहीं जाना because उस रेसिपी में भी बड़ा जोर है. I'll be back.